Here's how to change text color on a Wix website, step by step. Begin by signing in to your Wix account. Once you are logged in, open the website you want to edit. If you manage more than one site, make sure you select the correct one before moving forward, since the color change will only apply to the site currently open in your dashboard. With the site selected, click Design Site or Edit Site to open the Wix editor. The wording can vary depending on where you access the site, but either option will take you into the editing view. Give the editor a moment to load if needed, then stay on the page where the text appears that you want to update. Next, click directly on the text element whose color you want to change. This is important because Wix applies text formatting to the specific text box you select. If there are several text elements close together, take a second to confirm the correct one is highlighted before you continue. After selecting the text, click Edit Text. This opens the text editing controls for that element. In the formatting toolbar, look for the text color option shown with the letter A. Click that option to open the color settings for the selected text. From here, choose the color you want to use. You can select from your brand colors if the shade you need is already part of your site palette. If you want a different color, open the Custom tab. There, you can pick a custom shade or enter a hex color code if you already know the exact color value you want to use. This is useful when you need the text to match another part of your site or a brand guideline. Once the new color is selected, click outside the text box to apply the change. This confirms the update in the editor and lets you see how the text looks in place on the page. If the text sits on a colored background or over an image, take a moment to look at the contrast before moving on, so the updated text remains visible in the design. When the text color looks right, click Preview to review the change on the site. Preview mode lets you look at the page without the editor controls, so you can check how the text appears in a more finished view. If everything looks correct, click Publish to make the change live on your Wix website. Your Wix website text color is now updated and published live.